DOEACC CCC course on computer concept. Introduction GUI based operating system. Part 3. Online contents for course on computer concept. You will learn about introduction to GUI based operating system, part 3. Objectives. You will learn about purpose of operating system, user interface of Windows using menus and icons, managing files and folders. Start menu. Start menu is located at the leftmost corner of the status bar. Using mouse, left click on the start menu, which display various options available. The start menu shows various options on its like programs, Internet Explorer, shutdown, etc. This can be activated using a double click on these icons. For menu selection, you have to move to the desired option first and then double click it to open the respective programs. To shut down the systems, you can click on the shutdown turn off computer option that appears at the bottom of the start menu. Another option available along with shutdown is log off. The start menu look like these steps. Run any program, applications, follow the given steps. Click Start and Run. In the dialog box that appears, type the path of the item you want to open in the space provided after open, or click Browse to locate it. The open box lists items you have opened recently, types or select an item in the list. Click OK to open it. You can open a files or folders or connect to a shared computers by typing its path in the open box. You can also connect to an internet or internet site. For example, to reach the Microsoft websites, type www.microsoft.com in the open box. You can connect to a remote computer using the open box. Control panel. Control panel is full of specialized tools that are used to change the way Windows look, and we have some of these tools help you adjust settings that make your computer more fun to use. For example, use mouse to replace standard mouse pointer with animated icons that move on your screen, or use sound and audio devices to replace standard system sound with sound you choose. Other tools help you to set up Windows so that your computer is easier to use. For example, if you are left-handed, you can use mouse to switch the mouse button so that the button on the right performs the primary function of selecting and dragging. Change the date and time. To change the date and time icons option of the control panel can be used to do. So follow the given step. Open control panel, open date and time in control panel. On the date and time tab, select the item you want to change it. Show the calendar or current month and year. To change the month, click the arrow in the month list and then click the correct month. To change the year, click the arrow in the year list. To change the day, click the correct day on the calendar. To change the time, click the time part and type the appropriate time there. Click OK to confirm change. Changing display property. Using the display icons available on control panel, you can modify the way desktop objects such as windows, menu, fonts and icons appear on your screen. To adjust display and appearance option through the display icons in control panel, follow the given steps. On the start menu, select control panel. In control panel, be sure you are in classic view. All control panel icons are showing. If not, under control panel, in the left pane, select switch to classic view. Changing the wallpaper. A wallpaper is a picture, image display in the background of your desktop. To change your desktop background wallpaper, follow the given step. Open control panel, select display in control panel. On the desktop tab, done one or more of the following. Click a picture in the background list. In position, click center, tiles or stretch. Click browse to search for a background picture in other folders or on other drives. You can use files with the following extension .pmp, .zip, .jpg, .dib, .png, .htm. Select display icon from control panel. In the display property dialog box, select the appearance tab. Select a windows and buttons style from the list. Select a font size from the list. When you are finished with selection, select OK twice to close the dialog box. To close control panel, select the close button. Select a color from desktop color. The color fills the space not used by a picture. You can use a personal picture as a background. All of your personal pictures located in My Picture are listed by name in the background list. You can save a picture from a website as a background. Right-click the picture and then click Set as background. The picture is listed in the background box as Internet Explorer background. If you choose an HTML document as your background picture, in the position option are unavailable. The HTML document is automatically stretched to fill your background. Changing the screensaver. A screensaver is an animated image that is activated on a personal computer when no user activity has been censored for a certain time. Window comes with built-in screensavers that you can select. If you purchase your computer with the operating system already installed, a screensaver may have been selected for you. To set or change a screensaver, follow the given steps. Open Control Panel, select Display in Control Panel. On the Screensaver tab, under Screensaver option, click one screensaver given in the list. After you select a screensaver, it will automatically start when your computer is ideal for the number of minutes specified in wait. To clear the screensaver after it has started, move your mouse or press any keys. To view possible setting option for a particular screensaver, click Setting on the Screensaver tab. Click Preview to see how the selected screensaver will appear on your monitor. Move your mouse or press any key to end the preview. To add a Windows XP component. To install a new software on Windows, follow the given step. Log on as administrator or as a member of the administrator groups. Click Start, click Control Panel and double click Add and Remove Program. Click Add Remove Windows Component. The Windows Component wizard start. The component list, select the checkbox that is next to component that you want to add. If the checkbox for a component is shaded, only some of its subcomponents are selected for installation. To view a list of the subcomponents, click Details, click to select the checkbox next to the subcomponents that you want to add, and then click OK. If the Details buttons is unavailable, the component does not contain subcomponents. Click Next. In the Completing the Windows Components wizard screen, click Finish. The Remove a Windows XP components. Log on as administrator or as a member of the administrator group. Click Start, click Control Panel and then double click Add and Remove Program. Click Add Remove Program Windows Components. The Windows Component wizard start. In the component list, click the Clear the checkbox next to the component that you want to remove. Note that a shaded checkbox next to a component indicates that only some of its components are installed. If you want to remove a sub-components, click Details, then click to clear the checkbox next to the subcomponents that you want to remove and then click OK. Click Next. In the Completing the Windows Components wizard screen, click Finish. Introduction GUI based operating system Part 3, the end.